Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat keeps stopping. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat keeps stopping, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Snapchat. Here in this window of app info you will enter to force stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can search about your application of Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.